Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, I'm taking a one video break from my black series. I know you guys are probably expecting an orange or green base video, but I need to take one break, a pause, because I got to do a commission. I got to do a commission for a client. I'm falling behind, and I've got to do this and get it done. So Christina, I know you're watching. Sorry for the delay. You know, life has been stupid for me. All right, so I'm doing this for Christina, and this is a 15 by 30 inch canvas. Now, before I get to the colors, just a quick reminder. It is April 9th. You guys are watching this, and Seattle, Washington is like 2 weeks away. I cannot believe it. I'm fine. I'm so excited. I'm counting down the days. Seattle, Washington, April 27th to the 29th. If you are interested in coming to learn from me in person, come and see me in Seattle. Come and see other fabulous artists as well. Massey Art Studios, Kathleen, Cause Creations, Pieces of Terra, Sarah Taylor, Garrick Brown, Cole's Color, Britta Clayton's going to be there, Gina DeLuca, Marcy from Mixed Media Girl. Oh gosh, I know I'm forgetting somebody. I'm sorry, who am I forgetting? Jessica from Winterstrom Art. I think I'm missing somebody. Don't kill me if I forgot. But anywho, I'm super duper excited. I cannot wait. It's going to be a blast. All the information is in the description below. Fluidartexperience.com for info and tickets. And then also in August, I will be going to Las Vegas for PourCon. That information is also, the link is also in the description below. Shelly Art for her famous bloom technique, coming all the way from Australia. There's others coming from Australia, others coming from around the world. Fiona from Slovenia is going to be there. Erica Hughes coming in from Ireland. Like, we're coming from all over, and it's going to be an epic event. So if you want information on that, that is August 7th, 8th, and 9th. Information below. All right, so I'm just going to straighten myself out here. Let's get to today's pour. So my client saw a video from Olga Sobi. So this painting, the colors and the composition, sorry, I keep shaking the table and my camera keeps moving. That's no good. So the colors and the composition, sorry, I got sidetracked there, is inspired by Olga Sobi. So my client, sent me an email and said, I really love it. I really love the colors, but I want you to do it. And I said, yeah, you got it. So this is something new for me. Never done this before, type of composition and type of blowout. So I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. So let's get to it. The base color I am using is Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Okay, that is going to be the base. And then half the blowout is going to be one color palette, and the other half is going to be a different color palette. So on the one side, we are going to have Primary Magenta by Amsterdam. Then we have Iridescent Violet Blue by Pebeo. And then we have Permanent Red Violet by Amsterdam. So that's going to be the one side. And then the other side is going to be Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. We have Phthalo Blue by Amsterdam, and then Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. But then in between, mixed with both, I'm going to add Ultramarine Violet by Amsterdam. There is going to be 24 karat gold in the whole thing, and a little bit of titanium white as well, just a little bit. So that's going to be on both sides. So those are the colors. If you want to know how I mix my colors, so my base paint, I have it all mixed up here in 2 cups, my base paint and my paints in the squeeze bottles, you can check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top. Click on that link, takes you to a video that has a full tutorial on how I mix my paints with water and Floetrol and the ratios that you need for specific paint brands, because each paint brand is different. All right, so that being said, I am going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, canvas is flooded. Now it's not perfect because with this blowout, there's going to be a lot of paint on the canvas, because the key is to cover the most of it, cover most of the negative space. So yeah, I don't know how this is going to work out. Let's, I guess I'm just learning as I go, because again, I have not done this before, so I'm a little bit nervous. Now, the majority of the center is going to be really kind of gold, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. I'm not really quite sure. This is my center. I'm going to get back to the gold in a second. Let me start with the colors. And I'm going to need a lot of paint. So just looking back to Olga's video, you know, how she kind of did it. Gotta kind of learn from how she did that. And we add some blue. Okay. This is gonna be interesting. Now, I don't know how much paint to put on here, to be quite honest with you, so I'm just kind of figuring it out. And again, it might be too much by the time it's all said and done, and it's all going to get blown off the sides anyway. But, and so like this color is pretty much the same as the turquoise blue by Amsterdam, but this has the shimmer in it, right? It's iridescent. Now I'm wondering if I should add another contrasting color, although I didn't talk about it with my client, but I just feel like it needs, or maybe it doesn't. No, it doesn't, because I'm adding some of the purple and some white and gold, so it'll be fine. All right, so let's go on this side now. Let's go this way. Oh, I'm so nervous. I don't know how this is gonna work. And if I have too much paint, not enough paint, I don't know. We'll find out. We will find out together. This could be great, or this could be a colossal screw up. I don't know. We will find out together. And that's one thing I love commissions. I love when a client calls me up and says, or emails me, I mean, and says, hey, I want you to do a piece for me. Commissions are great, but they're also very nerve-wracking, because what if it doesn't turn out the way your client wants, right? All right, so I've got that. And now I'm gonna add the ultramarine violet on both sides. I don't know really how much to add. I don't want it to overpower the other colors. So I'm gonna do less than what I did with the rest of the colors. And I'm gonna add the 24K. Again, not too much, because we all know how 24K overpowers everything. So, woo, this is so interesting. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to blow this out. And a little bit of white. 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 There we go. That's it. There's a lot of paint on here, so let's pop the bubbles. Okay, so the key here is I'm going to start in the middle and just work my way, fan it out, and then fan it out, and I don't even know. So I'm going to take my sweet time and figure it out as I go. Let's cross your fingers for me. Let's go. Okay, well, that's interesting. I'm loving this. I gotta fix this though. Oh, actually, I really gotta fix that. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. I might have to delete that. And I gotta fix, I'm loving the gold center, but I need to kind of spread it out and kind of make it proportionate and matchy. Oh my gosh, look at the cells. This is super cool. I love how there's no negative space, but then there's negative space here on the ends, on the sides, I mean. Okay, so I'm going to fidget with this. I have to fix this, but I don't want to ruin this because this is so pretty, this part right here. So I'm going to have to try and kind of, I don't know. Okay, so I might speed you guys up for a little bit of this, so just bear with me. Okay, I don't know how to get rid of this big blob of paint here. I should have paid attention to that when I was blowing it out. So I think I'm gonna use the hairdryer and just blow it all off. And unfortunately, I'm gonna lose that. It is what it is. I can't, if I mess with it too much by mouth, it's just gonna look unnatural. So. Oh, I'm so glad I did that. Okay, so now that that big blob of paint is gone, I'm going to try and bring some of the negative space back. Yeah. Oh, that's so much better. Oh my goodness, what is happening over here? Wow. Now, in Olga's video, she really runs her fingers through her paintings. I don't want to do that because I've never done it and I don't want to mess this up. So I'm not going to do that. So I am going to leave it. I love it. It is so cool. I like it. Okay, I'm going to fix my edges and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody, before I show you the close-up, don't forget to take your stick and you want to scrape the drips. Oh, gotta fix that. Don't leave that. Cover all white parts of canvas that show, okay? Yep, perfect. Scrape the drips. Do all 4 sides, come back 10 minutes later, do it again, and then a 3rd time, and you should be good to go. You guys, I am loving this. I've never done a painting with so little negative space, and I'm really liking this a lot. So thank you to my client, Christina, who, you know, took the faith and leap, or whatever you want to call it, and trusted in me to do this painting for her. I hope you like it. I love it. It's really cool. And I'm loving all the cell interaction in all of this. It is super neat. There's going to be a lot of shimmer in here, so let's check that out. All right, so I've got the flash on, and let's see. And this is why I love the 24 karat gold, because no matter where you put it, it's definitely going to be there. Now there was, oh, camera changing color. There was only 2 shimmery, not including the 24K, but 3 shimmery paints. See what happens when I go too close? Look, it's changing the color on me. My camera, my phone is changing. But there's definitely a lot of shimmer in here. The Iridescent blue-green by Pebeo, and then Pebeo on the other side for the, I can't remember, the red one. And gold, the 24 karat gold. So there's not much shimmer in here in terms of the paint colors, but There's definitely shimmer on the canvas. And there you have it. I would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Christina, if you're watching, let me know what you think. I really like it, and I might do more of these. They were, it was a lot of fun. There, my camera was so not focused there. It's focused now. Sorry about that. But anywho, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you want to see more of these different color combinations? After, of course, I finish my black series, after I still finish the orange and green piece, and then maybe we'll try this some more. That's it. Everything you need to know is listed in the description below for the both workshop events. Info is below. Discounts to products that I use are listed below. If you are new watching and you are not subscribed, I would love it if you would hit that red subscription button and hit that notification bell. That way you are notified every time a new video is posted. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this different video today. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.